Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Gradle requires Java, so install OpenJDK and other dependencies with the following command. You can verify the installation of Java with the next command. Next, download the latest Gradle release by running the following command. You can find the latest Gradle release on the release page, which will be in the description of this video. Unzip the downloaded file to opt Gradle by running the next commands. Verify the contents. Configure environment variables. Create a symbolic link to the Gradle directory. Add Gradle to the system path by running the following commands. Lastly, verify the installation. Run the following command to confirm that Gradle is installed correctly. That's it, your system now has Gradle installed and ready to use. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.